Good morning, dear students. Today we are continue this chapter exercise 1.1. Okay, at previous class we have already say question number from question number 1 to question number 4. Okay, so now we are start from question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Okay, so I'm start reading. Mohan deposits 2000 in his bank account. Okay, and withdraws rate 1642. Okay, 42 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Okay, so at firstly we will know, student, what is the meaning of withdrawal. Okay, so a withdrawal involves removing funds from a bank account. Okay, saving plans, pensions or trust. Okay, in some cases conditions must be met to withdraw funds without penalty. Okay, and penalty for early withdrawal usually arises when a clause in an investment contract is broken. Okay, so what is a withdrawal? Means a withdrawal involves removing funds from a bank account. Okay, so Mohan deposits 2000 in his bank account. Means total number of amount in his account is 2000 rupees. Okay, and withdrawal 1642, but we have to represent withdrawal amount by negative number. So we have to write minus 1642 minus 1642. Okay, and if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Okay, so find the balance, means we have to find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Okay, so clear, student? Let's start. Okay, okay, so Mohan deposited 2000 in his bank account. So first you have to write the statement of this question. Statements means withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative negative integer, and deposited of amount to the account is represented by positive integer. That after you have to solve. From the question, total amount deposited in bank account by the Mohan rate 2000. Okay, and total amount withdrawal from the bank account by the Mohan 1642, but it is a withdrawal amount, then you have to write here. Okay, then we have to write here minus sign. Okay, and then balance, one second, then total amount, we have to find the total amount of his account. Okay, so balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal, so after amount deposit plus amount withdrawn. Okay, so amount deposit, okay, 2000, and amount withdrawn minus 1642. Okay, so minus na, so we have to write here minus, then we have to subtract 1642 from 2000. Okay, clear? Some rules are here: minus and plus, minus. Okay, at previous class we have already discussed about it. Okay, so I'm sure you all learned this. Okay, so minus, and plus minus, already minus. Okay, also minus, and minus plus, minus 1 second. Minus plus minus, okay, minus plus minus plus minus minus and minus minus equal to plus, and plus plus already plus. Okay, so you have to learn these 4 rules. Okay, next, has the balance 2000 plus minus 1642 means minus plus minus, then 2000 minus 1642, so answer will be definitely 358, because minus plus minus, okay, minus plus minus means 2000 and minus 1642. When we will subtract, so 10 minus 2 means 8. 10, 0 minus 2 is not possible. Okay, so borrow, we have to take borrow. Okay, means 10 minus 2, 8, and then 9 minus 4. Okay, 9 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means 5. Okay, 9 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. Okay, and 1 minus 1, 0. So 358. So answer will be definitely 358. So hence the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawals is 358. Okay, so next question. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. Okay, Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to B. ओके, ए से बी की तरफ चलती है रीता कितने किलोमीटर? 20 किलोमीटर. नेक्स्ट, सी मूव्स 30 किलोमीटर टूवर्ड्स वेस्ट अलॉन्ग द सेम रोड. इफ द डिस्टेंस टूवर्ड्स ईस्ट is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position? Okay, so question, from the question it is given that a positive integer represented the distance toward the east, then distance travelled towards the west will be represented by a negative integer. Okay, means from the question it is given that a positive integer represented the distance towards the east. Okay, okay, do you know student? 4, okay, east, west, north and south. Okay, directions, 4 directions. The distance travelled towards the west will be represented by negative integer. Okay, positive integer and negative integer. Okay, positive integer for east and negative integer for west. Okay, so Rita travelled a distance in east direction. East direction means positive 20 kilometer means plus 20. Okay, because Rita travels in distance in east direction, so east positive integer, we have to use positive integer for east direction. Okay, east, and so Rita travel a distance in east direction 20 kilometers, so plus 20. Okay, and there is no need to write the plus sign. Okay, right, then Rita travels a distance in west direction. West direction means we have to take minus integer for west direction. Okay, so 30 kilometer means minus. Okay, clear? And next, distance travel from A. Okay, 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30 to 20 is a positive and minus 30. Okay, so already we know that minus plus minus means 20 minus 30. Okay, 20 minus 30 is not possible. We have to do 30 minus 20, but we have to put the sign. Minus. Okay, because 30 is a big number. Okay, 20 and minus plus, 20 and minus plus minus plus minus 30. So 30 minus 20 means answer 10, but we have to put the sign minus, okay, because in 20 and 30, okay, big 30 is a big number, okay, and which sign front of 30? Minus, okay, so we have to write here minus sign, so minus 10, answer is a minus 10, okay. Okay, next question. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonals have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Okay, so question is very easy. Okay, a square is given. Okay, so row. Okay, so student, in two squares, okay, some numbers, row and column. Okay, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. So question, check which of the following in a magic square. Okay, so firstly we will know what is row and what is column. Okay, so rows means in the document model of read, spread, processing and group of cells that are on the same, means we can say horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line, okay, it is row, and vertical line, it is column. Okay, it is column. So row means this is this is row and this is column. Okay, row means we have to take the number 5 minus 1 and minus 4. Okay, and when we will say about column, then we have to take this 9 number. Okay, so very easy. So row and column, row means this line and column is like this. Okay, horizontal and vertical. Okay, so very easy, means now let's start solving. First we consider the square first. Okay, so you can see, one second, this diagram first. Okay, so by adding the numbers in each row we get. Okay, so at first we will add the row numbers. Okay, so first 5 minus 1 minus 4. Okay, I am doing only one and you have to solve all rows and columns also and diagonals also. Okay, so 5 minus 1 minus 4, you can see here row 5 minus 1 minus 4. Okay, 5 minus 1 minus 4, so 5, you can see here 5 minus 1 minus 4 and adding, so mean we have to put plus sign. Okay, so 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. Okay, so one second, minus and plus, minus plus minus. Okay, so minus plus minus means we have to put here minus sign, and then again minus or plus, minus plus minus, that again we have to put minus sign. Clear? Means 5 minus 1, firstly you have to solve this two numbers, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, sorry, 5 minus 1. Okay, 5 minus 1. Okay, 5 minus 1, then 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, and then 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, and you can solve from this side also. 4 minus 1, minus 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 plus 4 minus 1 5. Okay, and 5 minus 5 0. Very easy. Okay, so 5 minus 1 means 4, and the 4 minus 4 0, and again 4 minus 1, minus 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 plus means 5 minus 5 0. Okay, so you have to solve all the questions. All the questions means in first square you have to, I was solved only each row. Okay, first row, but you have to solve second and third row and column also. Okay, and diagonal means you have to take cross like this. Okay, means you have to take the numbers 5 minus 2 and minus 3 and minus 4. After adding this number you have to take minus 4, minus 2 and 0. Okay, clear? So this task for you have to solve question number square first and square second also. Okay, thank you students.